Welcome to the Metro Brokers online tutorial on how to customize your dashboard on the back end of your agent site. To customize your dashboard, you're going to need to be logged into the back end of your agent site through the Virtual Office tab located on mymetrobrokersonline.com. Once you are logged in, it will open up on the dashboard page. This is the default page. And in order to customize the dashboard, you're going to come over to the right-hand side where it says Custom Setting and click on this. That opens these icons that allow me to choose from what I want to put on my dashboard. So we'll just go through some of these. The message board is going to give me a small little box that shows me some of the message board information. New leads is going to show me my most current, newest leads, and these are leads that signed up for listing alerts. And statistics is going to show me my agent site statistics. Flyer, I have to scroll down to see some of these. Is going to show some of my most recent flyers that I've done, a list. You can always click on the more on each one of these and it will take you directly to that tab on your agent site where these things are located. Newsletters, same thing, a list of my most current newsletters. Customer information. That's going to show me email alerts and registered users. Media Center. The Media Center is where I can upload photos, logos, videos, music, any kind of media that I use on a regular basis that it'd be convenient to have stored right here on my agent site. So that's what the Media Center is. If I had information in here, it would have a list just like these other boxes have. Email alerts. And that's going to show a list of some of the email alerts that I have set up. Registered users, same thing, beginning of my list of registered users. Power search alerts, and that's going to show me, let's just take a look at this real quick. You can see that the power search alerts and the email alerts are really the same thing. They have the same people in there, but it could possibly be slightly different. Like this one has Highlands on it, and that's not showing on Power Search. So Highlands I probably just set up directly as an email alert and didn't go through the Power Search function. So that's basically how that works. But now that I have all these things selected, I may not want everything on my dashboard. So I can remove them by clicking on the X on each box. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this one. And let's say that I didn't want these flyers and newsletters on here. Now you can see what's kind of set up funky. Well, if you want to change the configuration of the way it's set up, you can click on the box and drag it. Click down, hold down, and then drag it to where you want it to be. I think that looks pretty good. So if this is the way I want to leave it, I'm going to scroll back up and click on Custom Setting again. And then that takes me to the actual dashboard that is not in edit mode. And now that we're here, let's say I wanted to see more of the new leads. So I could click on the little more button. And it is going to take me to my lead management tab. And then these leads are going to come up and I can go ahead and scroll through and find what I'm looking for. Let's go back to the dashboard. That's what happens when you click the more button. So it'll do the same thing with the message board. If I click more here, it's going to take me to the message board tab. So let's say I didn't want these boxes. I could put my mouse over the little arrow next to the X and click on it, and it is going to minimize that little box and just leave just the tab on there. So let's say this is how I wanted my dashboard to look. That is exactly how you would do it. And if you click on the arrow again, it's going to reopen the box. And again, if you want to get rid of something, you just click on the X. It'll remove it. If you want to add something again, you just go back into the custom setting and select it and add it. And that is basically how you customize your dashboard on the back end of your agent website. Thank you for watching.